Hello everybody, you all are welcome to the session on reference management using Mendeley. The main objective of this session is to make you aware about how you can use the Mendeley application during your research studies. There are a number of reference management applications. If we look at few, EndNote, Zotero, PDF Stacks, Mendeley, Bookends, Reference Manager, and many more are available. When we look at Mendeley, it is a free academic software and you can store up to 2 GB data in this application. You can work with Mendeley in online using any browser at anywhere or use Mendeley desktop application to work with Mendeley from your computer. Let's work with Mendeley. First, you need to create a Mendeley account. For that, select any web browser. I will select Chrome. Type www.mendeley.com. It will direct you to the Mendeley interface. If you scroll down, you can see there are a number of benefits of using Mendeley. Click on this red colored icon to create a free account. Since I already have a Mendeley account, it directed me to the sign-in page. But you need to enter your name, email address and a password. Then click on Get Started button. In here, I will click on Sign In button. Well, this is how this Mendeley web version looks like. Click on this library to see the existing documents. These are the documents available in my library. From here you can download the Mendeley application to your working computer. Here, setup file is downloading. Click on this setup file to install the application. Go back to your desktop. This icon is available now in your desktop. Double click on this icon. Sign into Mendeley using email address and password that you use during creating an account. This is how Mendeley desktop application looks like. There are 3 panes in your library. In the left pane, you can see there are several default folders. Content of your library display in the center pane. When you select an article, the details of that article display in the right side pane. You can change this data by yourself. All these articles can be arranged in a logical manner using folders. You can create new folders using the Create Folder option at the left pane. Rename it according to your requirements. I will rename it by entering date. Now we'll look at how to import articles to your library or to a specific folder. There are several ways to upload articles. Most easiest way is drag and drops the articles to a specific folder. Next way is to go File, select Add Files or Add Folders to upload files or folders. I will upload the documents in a specific folder of my desktop. Select the relevant folder, then click OK. You can use the Mendeley web importer to save the documents directly from a web browser. First, you need to install the web importer. For that, click on Tools and Install Web Importer. I will select Chrome because Chrome is my frequently used in web browser. Click on this Install Chrome browser extension. Add to Chrome. Add extension. Now this icon with Mendeley logo is appeared in your browser. Then type and search a particular article through the Google or Google Scholar. Select an article. Click on this red colored Mendeley logo. Then select the folder to where you need to save the article. And click on the Save button. Articles will save in your Mendeley web. Click on this Synchronize icon to synchronize the library with Mendeley web. Through this also you can do literature search and save articles to your Mendeley application. Select articles and click on Save References. Double-click on a particular article to open and read it. There are so many applications to edit your document while reading. Now we'll see the most important function of Mendeley: how to cite references when you prepare an article or research report. First, you need to install the citation plugin. Under Tools, click on this Install MS Word plugin, then click OK. Then open a Word document. Go to the References tab. Now you can see this Mendeley icon appeared in the MS Word. When you prepare your document, select the appropriate location to where you need to insert citation in your Word document. Click on this Insert Citation. Go to Mendeley. Select the relevant article from where you got that idea. Then click on the Cite button. Using Mendeley, you can insert several citations also. Go back to your Word document. Assume that you want to cite the references related to this sentence. Keep the cursor at the end of the sentence. Click on Insert Citation. Go to Mendeley and select the relevant article and click on Cite button. Again, do the same procedure. Click on Insert Citation, go to Mendeley, select the next article and click on Cite button. To merge these two citations, select two citations and click on this Merge Citations icon. Once you added all the citations to your document, you need to create a list of references at the end. Therefore, to insert the bibliography, keep the cursor at the end of your Word document. And click on Insert Bibliography icon. Very easy to create bibliography using Mendeley. The reference style also can be changed based on your requirements. These are the basic features of the Mendeley, and there are many other benefits for Mendeley users. You can create groups within Mendeley to share reference materials and work together with other researchers. You have an opportunity to create your own research profile to share your research interests and publications with others. You can use Mendeley to find career opportunities available throughout the world. Many more functions and benefits are available in. To gain more knowledge about these benefits, go to the Mendeley website, and there are so many resources to learn more about Mendeley. Thank you and have a nice day.